Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina. This here's Miss Cali Cat. So today I have a brand new box to this channel, to me. I'm so excited. This is the first sponsored box that I have ever put on this channel. Y'all, I'm so thrilled. Looks like Miss Bonnie Faye's gonna join us too, so we may have a cat fight. She's already knocking at my camera, y'all. Yes, there's a candle there, baby girl. Okay, I'm sorry about that. She was like, "Ooh, wait a minute." Okay, so today's box, and I hope I'm pronouncing this right. I did reach out and try to get them to pronounce it for me. She said Beiesa, Beiesa. Okay, so it is the Beiesa Beauty Box. Think Beauty. I am super thrilled to open this. It comes with 3 to 5 beauty products, deluxe minis. Occasionally they will send you a full size. It is $33 a month, or if you do a yearly upfront, it is $363 for the year. So they were kind enough also to give me a discount code. If you are a first-time shopper with them, use the code G20 and you will get 20% off your order. So I think that's wonderful. Thank you very much for giving that to my friends. I really appreciate it. So now we're gonna pop open this box and see what kind of beauty goodness is in here. Y'all, I am so excited. You know how I love new beauty boxes. This is the May 2021 box. Now, everything that's in here, they do have on their grab and go, so you can order this individually, or you can get this particular box as a subscription. So that's what it looks like inside. Oh my goodness. You know what they say? Big things come in little packages. So excited. They do have an Instagram account. I will link that below, and I will link their website below if you want to go straight to them and see what they have to offer. They also do personalized notes. So if you wanted to send this to a friend, or you know, your mom, I think Mother's Day is coming up, anything like that, I think that's great that they'll do a personalized note for you. They do ship worldwide, so my girls in the UK, you could order this box. All you other YouTubers out there, they do have affiliate programs as well. So I'm really excited about this box. All right, so the first thing I see in here is their card. These are vegan cosmetics, y'all. So you know how we love our vegan cosmetics. It just gives you a little information about, you know, what kind of the stuff they have. They do gift cards, volumizing mascara, a year or monthly plan on their box, vegan eyebrow definer, glamour liquid shimmer eyeliner. They have an eyelash growing serum, liquid eyeliners, eyelash glowing serum treatment, and volumizing mascara, defining brow cream. They do also have a YouTube channel that has a few little videos that kind of show you how to do. Look, she wrote thank you in the back. Isn't that sweet? All right, so let's get into the beauty goodness. Uh-oh, I want to have these little things all about. So this is the mascara, long-lasting and waterproof mascara. It says it curls, it lengthens, a quick drying, it's natural. It even has little pictures of how to brush it onto your eyes. Isn't that cool? All right, so if I can get this to show you. All right, I'm gonna pop this open. I wanna see what the brush looks like. I did forget to mention, it did come in an outer box, so that this box looked perfect, which I like that too. I mean, I don't like a whole bunch of extra cardboard, but this product is vegan, so you know, they're sending it to influencers, so I can see them wanting it to look good. All right, so here is the mascara. Look at that luxurious bottle. I mean, can't be gold. Let's see. Oh, y'all, look at that. I hope that's focusing. I don't know that it is. All right. Let's just, like I can see. You can see that I have an hair. I've already got mascara on, y'all, so this is probably not going to do any good. But I will try it out and give you an update on it later so we can see how much we like this mascara. It does say experience long, voluminous, defining lashes with voluminous mascara. And it is waterproof. That's this product. It is a $30 value. Okay, here we go. We got the Eyelash Growth Serum. If I say it right, it would be good. So, Eyelash Growth Serum. Look at that. Can y'all see those little pictures? Y'all, if it would do that. I mean, I don't have a really problem with my eyelashes, but I wonder if I could use it on my eyebrows, kind of fill in my little holes. I'll have to read on it and see if that is possible. I may actually ask. You know, when you go to their website, they have like a little question thing. They answered me really quick. They were really nice, really kind. I love a company that is respectful and nice and does get back to you. So I am thrilled about that. Oh, y'all. Look at this. I just think this is gorgeous. I mean, don't you love makeup containers that, I mean, they really feel like you put it on your shelf and you feel a little luxury in your life? I think this is gorgeous. It's got the gold, the clear. It has a very dynamic shape to it. Very cool. Teeny tiny little brush so you can put it right where you want it and not have to worry about, you know, getting it in your eye. I know a lot of people are worried about using these kind of serums because they're afraid that it'll get in their eye and mess up their eyes. But honestly, vegan and cruelty free, I am not really super scared of it. Like I said, I may try it on my brows and just see if it works for that, since I don't really have any trouble with my eyelashes right now. Okay, $90 value, $33 box with all the products. Y'all, that's awesome. Or actually, they also do an auto ship and save where you can save 10% off. So you could have it shipped to you annually, you know, however often, and save 10%. That's pretty cool. Monthly, shipped monthly, by the way. Also just saw a review pop up that said no side effects. A simple and delightful way to update your beauty routine, eyelash growth serum treatment. Okay, that's all I see about it. But you know, I'm just trying to do a quick look. So cool, y'all. I'm super excited about this. And you never know, one of my sisters might steal it from me just so they can grow their eyelashes out. Oh, like my sisters need any help. Y'all, they're gorgeous. I wish I could show y'all pictures of them. But I have to respect that they don't want to be as public as I have made myself. This, what is this? I just started opening and didn't even look. I get too excited about makeup, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay, enriching liquid eyeliner, smudge proof and waterproof. Take right in. This package is shiny. Okay. I think I can get in this box. Alright, I've never been super great at the liquid eyeliner. Y'all, you know I am new to makeup, so I am still trying to learn everything. I have been just using eyeshadow for my eyeliner. But I would like to get better at liquid eyeliner. Look at that, y'all. Oh, look at that. Yeah, wow, it's set pretty quick. So, I mean, it's barely smudging. Y'all have seen me do this with other ones and you could smudge it out. This one sets pretty quick. That is cool. This is a $35 value, and they have a group buy. So if you buy it with a friend, buy it as a group, you get it for $28 instead of the $30. How cool is that? Enriching liquid eyeliner. Enhance your look with enriching liquid eyeliner available in black. What to do? Apply eyeliner to clean, dry skin across the base of your upper lash line. Benefits. Everything you love about eyeliner just got better with our enriching liquid eyeliner. The pointed felt tip delivers a clean, precise, and dramatic line, while the peptide-rich formula conditions your skin and lashes. Oh, that's good. It conditions while you put it on. That's awesome. Love that. On the growth serum, it says carefully remove eye makeup with oil-free makeup remover and ensure that the skin around your eyes is dry. Gently apply the serum on your upper or lower eyelids before bedtime and before applying eye makeup in the morning. Sit back and watch how your eyelashes will keep growing and getting thicker with this unique eyelash growth serum. Mascara is waterproof, sweatproof, no smudging, giving you fresh makeup all day without any burden. Tightly wrap the eyelashes and the effect of makeup is lasting. Can be easily removed with warm water, which not only protects fragile eyelashes but also avoids damage. It is easy to carry out, great for daily use, clubbing or partying, perfect for both professional use and personal use. All right, so that's the 3 products that I got. I wanted to give you a look at this front of this card. I didn't think I did that. So that just gives you a little idea of some of the stuff that they have there. The liquid eyeliner was a $35 value. So I'm super excited to try all these things. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. Y'all, don't forget to use code G20 to get 20% off of your first order. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.